Hello and welcome to Nerdcast. India is a very popular and populous country. It is developing at a very high speed rate. This has given birth to the online generation. Currently, 95% of India is online surfing the web. On an average, an Indian citizen spends around 82% of its time surfing the web, browsing stuff, watching YouTube videos, or doing online shopping. This has given a boost to the profile of a web developer. Web developers are currently in demand. The average salary of an Indian web developer is around 5.2 lakhs. If you want to learn how to make beautiful websites and web apps using JavaScript, Python, Node.js and React.js, this course is for you. This course will be completely free. We will start from the complete basics, from HTML to React.js to deploying your website. So look to the future. Subscribe now, like it, and follow us on Instagram for future updates.